Hey VGG family, how are you today? So I am in this super cool video game called BeamNG, and it's for PC, and it's kind of an open world game involved around cars and driving. You can customize cars. I can't talk. You can customize cars, do all kinds of things that you want, change them up. And I thought, why not? Let's just do a little tribute to the VGG. So I found this truck that had the perfect paint job and the perfect wheels. Can't go wrong with that. So we drove out here to the farm and we found this older car that used to be some sort of maybe a derby car or some sort of round track car or something. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but the tires look low on it, and let's get over to it and check it out. Let's take a little look around here. So this is what we found. Let's get to the inside of it here. And we'd already hooked up, put a battery in, and put the jumper cables on. And let's see if we can get it to fire again. And then we'll pull it out here out of the grass. Quit again. Let me try it again. Win again. All right. As he says, bring the thunder. I guess that was the magic word. Now, I don't know how long this car has been setting here. I have no idea. But we got it running. And let's go back to the outside of it here. I'm going to put it in reverse. And we'll see if we got any transmission accident happen here. Okay. Let's try first. All right. See if we got any steering. I'll try backing it up here a little bit. Okay. So we can get it out of this field here. So tell me, what's your favorite episode of the VGG? It's kind of hard for me to make a decision. I like them all. Yeah, these tires are low. I'm loving the paint on this though. Okay, okay. Looks like somebody's been out here just going crazy. So we can get this thing out here on the road. Clutch lets off at the top a little bit. Let's back it up. And isn't that truck great right there in the background? Let me back up so we can get to that. Look at that. It's fantastic. Okay, put the brakes on. I got it neutral here. Let's see. I'd say we light them up. Might as well just see what happens, right? All right. Oh, it's alive. Look at that bounce. Look at it bounce. Been setting that field for who knows how long. I'm so excited I can't talk. Let's go to the inside. Oh. Check it out here. He's still burning. Go back to the outside. Let's go for it. They got second. Whoa. Oh, man. I tell you what, this thing is crazy. Let's get back over here. So if you've enjoyed this, make sure to let me know in the comments what kind of type of car you want to see. We have some selections of things, and we'll see what we can come up with. And one of the cool things about this game I'm going to show you is how it simulates damage. Okay, So I want to show you that before we go. Let me back up. And we're going to go on a trip here. And let's just open it up. Whoa. 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 See, we got a little bit of the bent hood there from that. All right. Now let's take it up a notch. Let's see. Now let's make it get real crazy. Just hold on. Let's see. We'll see what happens here. E-brake. Whoa. Well, we totally missed everything we were trying to hit. It's okay. It's okay. We'll get it this time for sure. Whoa. See? Whoa. This is going to be crazy. Uh-oh. Hold on. Oh. Well. Huh. Well, you know what? We'll just go ahead and shut it off right there, huh? That was fantastic. So check out this game, BeamNG. It is absolutely amazing. It just, look how much fun I just had. All right, we'll see you all later.